Why you always talking about this pimp stuff, man? What's happening? Cause it's real, nigga, I'm a pimp.
New day, new bitch, so it's new money. High tech in the cup, cause of blue honey. Full clip in my shit, homie, who want it? Talking all that shit, better do something. I be really in the set on the deuce thuggin'.
Today we're gonna be putting some coilovers on this car, something it really needs because all this suspension is completely stock. We got some coilovers. Big shout out to maxpeedingrods. You guys know we've been working with them for a while. They always send us the goods when we need them. So they sent out some goods this time, and me and Jasmine are here at Charles' shop. Charles is not here because his dog was in the dog hospital last night. We're gonna push this car into the shop now.
There's rain in yours in the second row?
I do that all the time.
Really?
Yeah, I just cut it out.
I don't think we have the radius.
We'll back it up.
You got it.
I already smell like beef.
It smells like beef?
I smell like beef. Once it gets straight, it's easy to push.
You gonna hit these cars?
We have to wait for Jake and Mitchell
Why?
to get it in.
Why can't we do it?
It's heavy.
Right here, you mean?
Getting over that, yeah.
I got it.
We can try.
I'm strong. I need to step inside for 2 seconds. It's hot as balls.
All right, Jasmine thinks we can do this on our own.
Got muscles.
I'm about to find out. She's about to find out how hard this is.
We gotta get a better angle on this.
Backwards.
Backwards? Yeah, if we get some speed, we can, we can get it.
Yeah, we did it. Okay, heave. Okay, we got it in the shop. Now we just got to get it on the lift. I guess Jasmine was right. We got that big muscle. All right, here are the coilovers provided by maxpeedingrods. We've done videos on these coilovers before. We got them for DJ's E36, we got them for Maurice's E36, and now we got them for my 240. These retail for like $350, so they're a very, very budget-friendly set of coilovers, and take that as you will. We'll see how they work on the 240. If they're not doing what I'd like them to do, then I'll upgrade at some point. But for now, the 240 is gonna sit on maxpeedingrods, and huge shout out to them for hooking us up. Let's get the car on the lift. I guess first you can check out the ride height we got going on. I'm trying to dump this car, so this is not acceptable. What do you think? Probably be good because we're really only working right here and right over there. Whenever you get a car in the lift, you want to do a little shake test, so make sure it doesn't just fall. Yeah, I think we'll do the fronts first. So let's open the package we got.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Wow. maxpeedingrods always looking good. The last ones were, Maurice's were pink. He wasn't a big fan of the pink, but we got the orange ones this time. So which ones do you think are the fronts and which ones do you think are the rears?
Front?
Yep.
Yes.
All right, so we're gonna slam this bad boy. We're gonna start with the fronts, like I said. And we'll start by taking off the wheelie Dan.
Boing.
Well, I just remembered I didn't have to do any of that. Now we just gotta pull these two, like I told you guys, we only need one or two lug nuts. We only need two top hat nuts also. Side by side comparison. I wonder if this says right or left. Cool thing about this is we don't have any fenders, so we don't have to worry about how low we go, so we can just dump it all the way. This is the right one. All right, coilover's on. Time to put the wheel on, see what this, what our height change looks like. Look at this side compared to this side.
Dang.
Bam! All right, now we're just gonna do the same exact thing over there, or won't bother filming it. Or maybe we can have Jasmine do this. Do you remember the first step?
Wheelie dance.
Yep. Let's use the impact.
I've never used one of these.
You can do it. Hold it steady. All right, now pull the trigger and make sure it's going the right way.
Lefty.
Lefty loosey.
Looks like it's going there. I just stick it on.
Yep, make sure it's all the way on there. There you go.
There you go. And I just press it. That doesn't sound good.
Get it. Nice.
Wow, that was easy.
Now do the other one.
Look, I'm all dirty now. I'm a real car girl.
Wow.
Look at that.
Now you can pull the wheel off.
Oh my god, that's heavy.
Oh, look at that. We only have 2 studs on the sub. It's these bad boys that you gotta take off. The knuckle bolts. This is the knuckle.
Can I get a knuckle sandwich?
So you gotta find the right size. Oh damn, those are honkers. Definitely not supposed to be there. The boys is here.
Did you know that? I should probably take this giant spliff out of my ear before you film me.
Come check this shit out.
I found this fat spliff in my garage.
Look how dumped we are, dude. You can see it from here.
Max feeding rods come through?
Max dumping rods. That's all the way. I figured because we don't have fenders, I might as well just see what it looks
Oh
like.
my god, that will not drive good.
Jasmine's gonna do this side.
I have this same exact set on my car.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, so put that bad boy on that bad boy. I'll put this here.
I give you film.
Is this supposed to make those noises?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Those are, you know what those noises are
off?
called, right?
You got it.
Oh.
Ugga duggas.
Yeah, those are called Ugga Duggas.
Oh.
Now, same thing on the
You got
bottom.
Ugga Dugga at the bottom now.
How do I get this off?
You don't,
Just dump it out.
Your first ever Ugga Duggas?
Yeah. I don't think I've ever used this.
Just
Is
hold
this a
that up
drill?
and go zip zip. Just hit it twice.
Now you gotta pull these out with
You gotta hold this strap while you do it.
yeah.
Lefty Lucy.
Lefty loosey.
Hold your own cars.
Okay, these things confuse me.
Just push away.
There you go.
Wait, is that even doing it?
Yeah.
Lefty loosey.
See when it clicks like this,
It's not
nothing's
spinning.
happening.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
just free
It just
spinning.
makes it so you can do that a bunch.
There you go.
Is that doing
What are you
anything?
doing?
I don't know. Is it?
So go.
There it is. That's the movement we're looking for.
You know, they do this in the Air Force. They teach people how to use ratchets and stuff
Really?
and screwdrivers. And I remember the first day that they were doing it, I was like, what are we doing? Somebody was like, what's this? I was like, that's a flathead. He was like,
Here we go.
I did it.
In through the bottom.
No matter what way?
yeah.
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 You'll-
Oh, through the holes.
Right, gotta rotate it. Right like that.
Okay.
And then he's gonna start to nut. He's gonna start to nut, and then also start to nut again.
Nice.
He's a multi-nutter.
quick nutter.
Damn, he quick nuts 3 times.
You can let go, huh?
Dude, I didn't know you were such a tri-nut dude.
I'm a double nut dude. I don't have a tri nut. I lost it.
Righty tighty.
Righty tighty.
Yeah, so I got you set up there. There you go. So in this general practice, you would pull towards you nuts. There you go.
Now get that guy.
Oh god. Oh god.
What did you say? I can't hear you.
Hot Wheels.
What about him? Yo! What the fuck? Is that an S15 right there?
This one?
Down.
No, failure.
Oh, classic mix-up. All right, front end is done, and it's super fucking low. I don't even know if we'll be able to get it off the lift, but we're gonna do the rear end now and see how far, or see how low we can get this. We got so much room to play with. There's still gonna be a big old wheel gap when we get it all the way down. Alrighty, taking the rears off now.
Eat butt. I just noticed that. Did you
the
put
butt.
that on there?
Long time ago.
Really?
I put that on there at Park Fest. Like,
Thank you. What is that?
It's a piston.
Oh.
Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. Did you put the nuts on the top? Yeah. Get up off the ground. So I know you're laying, used to laying on the ground. It's not laying on the ground. These are work to you, my friend.
Oh, this looks so cute.
Hit it in. Not me, don't hit me. Do you use me as leverage? Today, on Pimp My Ride, we add butt stickers.
wheels going on.
Last wheel. Dirt nasty low.
Dumpster ass.
Dumpster nasty low.
Mitchell, what kind of low would you call this?
How low is this?
If it scrapes on this little blue thing, it is worded as done.
The wheels aren't even touching.
I can just picture this thing pulling up to a Chevron on the line.
How?
Because it's fucking probably framed on, like this back.
there's no motor in this.
This is what they call spinners.
This thing's dirt nasty low.
It's pretty low. Let's get it out of this little bay area. The Bay Area.
Oh, I want the undrivably low.
I think another 2
little
inches. 2 inches lower would be better.
It looks so much better, dude.
We can so make it lower.
You could do 2 inches.
We got way more frame rail left. Look how much frame rail we got. We got tons of rims. Like I got 4 fingers in this hoe.
I think this is enough.
No.
When I put side skirts on it, the side skirts will be on the ground.
Yeah.
Before, I was telling you, or you were telling me that this is way too low.
Undrivably low.
Yeah.
It gets the people going. It's provocative.
Dumpster ass low.
The shit's in the fucking weeds.
The weeds in the fucking shit.
Dude, you need to do that. You need to do that TikTok where it's like, when I drop top, no.
All right, there it is, super fucking low. Big shout out to maxpeedingrods. They've always been hooking us up with shit, and these are a very cost-effective coilover. If you're on a budget, go pick these up, 300 bucks or something like that. I'll have a link in the description if you'd like to check them out. There's thousands of reviews of these. I obviously can't review them because there's no motor in the car, but the car looks cool, so they get a 10 out of 10 on looks for me. So yeah, check out the link in the description if you'd like to check these out. Huge shout out again to Max Speeding Rods. Thank you. Shout out to Jasmine for putting in that one coilover. Thanks Charles, as always, for lending us your shop space. Check out Charles's channel and Instagram. It'll be in the description below.
Check it out.
And we'll see you in the next one. Peace.